Can you see the picture? It's Bongo the Bear. Oh, Bongo's going to do some yoga. He's doing King Cobra pose. Ah, well done, Bongo. Lowering our hands. Well, isn't this exciting? Bongo the Bear is having a Thanksgiving party at the Tree of Thanks. And guess what? We are invited. So let's begin by packing a lovely Thanksgiving picnic for the party. We stretch our legs out long, bend our knees a little bit and touch our toes. Now we lift our arms to open the basket. Outside waiting for us is our bicycle, ready to take us to the forest. Let's do our bike pose. Coming to lie on our backs, we crisscross our fingers, put them behind our heads and lift our legs up. Now we pedal with our feet as we sing. Roly-poly, up, up, up. Roly-poly, down, down, down. Feel the breeze swirling through the branches. Let's take our arms out wide and swirl with the breeze, swishing and swaying from side to side. We come to a stop and we take a big breath in. Can you smell? Bonfires! Wow, it's such a cool time of year, isn't it? And here comes Bongo the Bear. Let's do our bear pose for Bongo. Coming down onto our hands and knees. We tuck our toes and lift our knees off of the ground a little bit. Bongo gives us a wave with his paw. Hey there! And the other side, welcome! Popping that hand down. The glade is where we're having the party with the Tree of Thanks. We just have to pass through Mr. Skinny-Legs Spider's spider web without getting tangled. Well, we'd better be careful then, hadn't we? But have you noticed? The Tree of Thanks looks rather bare. There isn't a leaf on it. Let's do our tree pose on the other side, see if we can see some leaves there. Standing tall again, we bring our other foot on top, using our heel, our toes for balance, our hands together. Now we grow, grow, grow those branches high and open them out wide. Still very bare, isn't it? I wonder what's wrong. We look up at the Tree of Thanks and wonder what we can try next. Cheese the mouse arrives and she's wearing a lovely pair of cosy woolly socks. She gives us a big mousy hug, sitting on our bottoms, hugging our knees into our chest and maybe lifting our feet off the ground to wiggle our toes. Oh, what a lovely hug. Cheese the mouse says, "I'm so thankful for cuddles and warm socks." And all of a sudden, pop, 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 several big golden leaves pop out on the Tree of Thanks. And Fuzz is lying in the leaves doing leaf angels. Let's do that too. Lying on our backs, legs wide, arms wide. We scoop all the way in, scoop, and sweep all the way out. Sweep, and again, scoop, and sweep, sweep. Very good, everyone. Fuzz says, "I'm thankful for soft landings." And more golden leaves pop out on the Tree of Thanks. Bongo the Bear sits up in a teddy bear pose with his legs nice and wide, a nice long back, folding forwards onto his forearms and resting his chin in his big bare paws. He thinks, "Wow, of course. The Tree of Thanks only grows when we share what we're grateful for."